Pharmacy process made easy here in Bitpos. We provide convenience. And in this video, I am going to show you how our Bitpos system works in a pharmacy setup with an order taking side. So before I start discussing with the features, I am going to show you the devices that I'll be using here. I have my basic setup for the cashiering system. So we have here the PC setup. I have my drawer, I have my scanner, and I also have my printer. For my order taking side, I'll be using our Bitpos MOT application with clipback scanner, as well as our Bluetooth printer that will print the order slip later on that will be fetched by the cashier. So right now, I am going to show you first on how our MOT app works for the frontliner or the order taking side. So I've already logged into the interface. As you can see, I'll just tap items here. You do have options where you can search it based on category. Example, for analgesic, antipyretic, AC inhibitors. It has category setup. But in my end, I rather have the toggle search setup mode where I can use my clipback barcode scanner. So this is my sample item here with a barcode. I'll just scan this one and automatically this item will appear and I can now input the number of quantity that they want to order. So let's say I have 5 of this and then tap OK. If I want to add many more items, I can just type the name of the item, example, biogesic, and automatically it will appear. And then I'm going to input the quantity and then tap OK. Here, you will see the list of products that we have punched. You can now tap bill for the total amount breakdown here in the cashiering side to fetch. Automatically, my Bluetooth printer will print. And this is my order slip receipt. So from this receipt, I am going to fetch this one in the cashiering side. Of course, the pharmacy assistant will get the medicines, put it in a basket, and then give it in our cashiering end. So for the cashiering side, what I'm going to do here, it's only to fetch the sales order number. I don't need to repunch all the items here. I just tap Control F. We have a short key in the keyboard or SO. And then I'll just put 02 or you can just automatically put number 2. And then tap OK. As you can see, all products is already here. The same thing that we have here on our order slip. This is where we do our tendering process, input the money of our customer, and then tender until our receipt will print. So this one, okay, my drawer is closed. So this one, the one that will be printed out in our cashiering side is the official receipt that we will give to our customer. So in this process, as you can see, it's very convenient from the order taking side from the frontliners end until the fetching of order in our cashiering side. For more information or questions here in this setup, you can book a live online demo to see how it works.